What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best truck backup camera on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is LeeKooLuu Backup Camera for Truck. This 7-inch wireless backup camera system is designed for use with trucks, trailers, pickup vehicles, and cars. It helps improve safety while parking or towing by offering a clear and wide rear view. The setup process is straightforward and does not require complex wiring, which allows drivers to begin using the device shortly after installation. The high-definition screen displays a full view of surroundings with sharp clarity. The wide-angle lens and clear video quality help in identifying obstacles or hazards. Even at night or in low-light areas, visibility remains strong thanks to the built-in night vision. Whether reversing on a dark driveway or guiding a trailer, the image remains clear and useful. This system supports 2 camera channels, offering flexible coverage for different angles. Drivers can view both feeds on a single screen with the split-screen option, switching between them when needed. This functionality enhances awareness and reduces blind spots during movement or parking. The waterproof build ensures continued operation in varying weather conditions, from heavy rain to snow and high heat. The casing protects the lens from damage while maintaining consistent performance. Parking lines can be adjusted based on the driving environment or personal preference. This allows the driver to align the vehicle with better precision when maneuvering into tighter spaces. The monitor can be mounted on the dashboard or windshield and remain stable during travel. With multiple viewing modes, durable design, and simple usability, this wireless backup system adds both convenience and safety to daily driving and towing tasks. In our list, the number 4 product name is Rowent Dual RV Backup Camera. This dual rear-view backup camera system offers wide visibility and reliable coverage for trucks, trailers, recreational vehicles, and campers. It includes a 7-inch high-definition monitor that connects directly to 2 cameras using a wired setup, allowing real-time images without interference or signal delay. This helps drivers stay aware of surroundings during reversing or tight parking. The wired connection ensures consistent picture quality with no distortion or image freezing, which is important for safety when maneuvering large vehicles. The wide-angle lens provides a viewing range of 170 degrees, covering blind spots and increasing field of vision. Clear visuals are maintained through both day and night with the built-in infrared night mode. This allows the camera to capture images up to 80 feet in low light, making it easier to park or reverse after dark. The weather-sealed build is designed to operate under challenging environmental conditions including heavy rain, dust, and extreme temperatures. The waterproof level helps the system remain functional in harsh outdoor situations. The unit includes long video cables to support installation on larger vehicles. Parking guidelines can be adjusted to match the size and driving style of each user, helping guide vehicles safely through narrow areas or around obstacles. Designed for dashboard or windshield mounting, The monitor fits easily into various vehicle interiors. Its durability makes it a dependable option for users who need lasting performance across multiple driving environments. Whether towing a trailer or navigating a campsite, the camera system supports a safer and more confident driving experience. In our list, the number 3 product name is DoHonest Truck Backup Camera. This wireless backup camera system brings clear visuals and dependable support for reversing and monitoring while driving various vehicles such as vans, pickups, sport utility vehicles, and trailers. The 7-inch display screen presents a wide, sharp view that helps improve awareness on the road. Its ability to display 2 video channels allows users to keep track of multiple areas around their vehicle at the same time. Designed with night use in mind, the camera performs well in low lighting, offering a clear image during nighttime conditions such as dark driveways, alleyways, or back roads. This makes evening driving and parking more secure and manageable. The camera system uses advanced wireless transmission to maintain a strong connection between the monitor and the camera, even when installed on longer vehicles. This helps eliminate image delay or signal interference while on the road. Thanks to its wide viewing angle of 150 degrees, users get an extended visual field. This allows for a broader view of the area behind the vehicle, reducing blind spots and increasing safety during reversing or lane changes. The adjustable parking guidelines also help with navigating tight areas by showing accurate distance markings tailored to each vehicle's dimensions. The camera housing resists rain, dirt, and extreme heat, making it reliable during different weather situations. Its sealed build keeps the image steady whether driving through storms, dry regions, or cold mornings. Installation takes little time and does not require expert help. This camera system is suitable for drivers looking to enhance visibility, monitor surroundings, and back up with improved accuracy across various environments. In our list, the number 2 product name is eRapta Backup Camera for Truck. This backup camera system from eRapta delivers reliable visibility support for vehicles such as sport utility vehicles, sedans, minivans, trucks, recreational vehicles, and trailers. The 7-inch high-definition monitor provides a wide and colorful view, making it easier to monitor surroundings while reversing, parking, or navigating narrow spaces. With a clear 2000 resolution and upgraded internal chip, the display ensures every movement behind the vehicle is shown in detail. Its structure fits neatly onto a windshield or dashboard and connects using a straightforward method, helping users set it up quickly without complex installation. Night driving becomes safer with its night vision support. The built-in 9 light-emitting diodes combined with a 6-layer glass lens enhance image quality in dark areas such as alleys or driveways. Drivers can rely on this system even when visibility is limited by poor lighting conditions. Its wide viewing angle, around 149 degrees, increases awareness by covering more of the area behind the vehicle. This makes it useful in avoiding nearby obstacles and improving control when parking in crowded spots. The camera unit resists harsh weather conditions through its waterproof and dustproof design, keeping image clarity steady in rain, snow, or heat. Its durable material helps ensure long use, especially for those who drive often or over long distances. Customizable display settings such as brightness and tint allow the screen to be adjusted based on personal preferences and lighting conditions, helping the driver get the clearest view possible. With its ability to switch between front and back views and the inclusion of customizable guidance lines, This system is designed to improve the confidence and safety of drivers during everyday travel. In our list, the number 1 product name is Pemiccom Backup Camera. This wireless backup camera from Pemiccom supports drivers with a clear and wide view while reversing or parking. Designed for trucks, small recreational vehicles, campers, trailers, and similar vehicles, it combines modern technology with a fast and simple setup that can be completed within 1 minute. Its magnetic mount holds firmly without damaging the vehicle surface, offering convenience for users needing flexibility and portability. The 7-inch high-definition display works alongside a built-in digital system to provide sharp visual feedback. With its self-developed processor and powerful image sensor, the view remains crisp even in low light. The night vision capability and glare reduction help maintain visibility, whether parking in dim areas or driving at dusk. Powered by a large-capacity battery, this camera system includes a solar panel and charging cable to support longer trips. A single charge allows for extended use, while the energy-saving sleep function helps preserve battery life. When not in operation, the device conserves power without the need for manual shut-off. Stable wireless signal transmission reaches distances up to 33 feet. With strong resistance to interference and frame loss, the visual performance remains steady during motion or rough conditions. Built to withstand various weather situations, the camera features a water-resistant design and performs well in both cold and hot climates. Its wide-angle lens, around 170 degrees, gives broader coverage behind the vehicle to reduce blind areas and improve awareness. The unit supports dual camera input, allowing another view to be added for added security. Adjusting brightness, contrast, and color settings offers control over the display, helping drivers tailor the experience to their liking for a more confident and secure journey.